Guys, I've been sent a very special parcel containing a very special watch. In fact, the owner of the company has told me that he's wanted to make this the best watch unboxing experience for under $1,000, so we'll be putting that to the test in this video. I've seen one or two other YouTubers cover this brand before, but today I'll be taking my first look at Coleman Collection. And their objective with this first collection has apparently been to get the best quality pieces and parts for their watches. To give a great overall package, let's dive in and give this a try. Say hello to Unboxing Cam up here. This will give you a little bit of a close-up look. I haven't peeked yet, which is why it's still wrapped and sealed. So aside from the cardboard box, we have the case. Now this has got a couple of little bumps and bruises on, but that's because I've had this around the house for a while. It's been shipped across the Atlantic. You've got to expect a little bit of that. So you can see the Coleman Collection logo here. And as opposed to most of these watch boxes, which slide or fold open, this one is presented like a gift box, like a present. So let's remove the lid and see what's what. Okay, so the front lip folds down. Oh! And it turns out that box wasn't actually the box. We have revealed a navy box made out of leather. And this is really supple. This is really nice. We've even got the stitching all the way around the perimeter of each of the pieces. I'm not sure what this is made of at the core, but it feels solid. Feels pretty heavy as well. Really nice looking box. In fact, this is probably the nicest looking box I've received on any watch. And I've got quite a few watches, so that's saying something decent. Now for the exciting bit. Let's take a look at this baby. Here we go, gentlemen. This is our Coleman Collection watch. And it's got this lovely, luxurious leather lining on the top, and then some form of thinner fabric around the edge, maybe some form of felt. Certainly, the packaging gives a good impression. First of all, you get a special discount code that you can use for yourself or a friend. Now, what I will do is if I can obtain a discount code from Coleman Collection that's even better than this one, then I'll leave it down in the description below. So before you go and purchase one of these, check there first, make sure you use the discount. Other than that, what have we got in here? First things first, we have a collector's guide, which is a nice little booklet here. Tells you a bit about the story of the brand. Gives you instructions on how to fit the watch, how to set the time. And also gives you the card with a 2-year warranty on as well. And that's why I always like from these smaller brands offering decent warranties on the watches. Because I guess that's what some people feel when they try a new brand that they're not really aware of. They worry what happens if the watch isn't decent, it's not up to scratch. This will have you covered. And what also have we got here? This is some form of collector's piece. It's like a little plaque showing you which number it is that you've received. Very nice, but let's get into the meat of this thing. I'll pop that out of the case. I'll peel off the film and let's see what we've got. Here's your first look at the Coleman Collection watches. Now the guys from Coleman Collection have already informed me about the specs of these things, so I know to get it right for this video. We've got sapphire crystal for the glass, stainless steel construction for the rest, as well as an automatic movement. I believe this is some form of Japanese automatic movement, but it looks very nice indeed. And you can see all the beautiful inner workings on the rear. Strap-wise on this one, you've got the Italian leather strap, but this one actually is only genuine leather. But once more, it's that higher tier genuine leather. You can really feel that with this one. Definitely going to last you a long, long time. You've got the butterfly clasp as well for the maximum adjustability. And the face itself is a nice open heart design. Very simple overall look, but actually I think that this is rather attractive. You can see here I've gone for the black face with the brown strap for the maximum versatility. And then you've got your crown. It's got the little blue thing on which I believe peels off. Let's take a look at this on the wrist. Okay, so this is what it looks like on my wrists, and this one is a 41mm face, which is a pretty decent size for a lot of guys. Much better than the huge 45mm faces on lots of these watches these days. And you can already see the automatic movement whirring away. Let me know what you think about this watch in the comment section below. Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? I just want to hear your thoughts. Personally, I really like the look of this watch, and I think for under £200, this is a pretty good choice. You get pretty decent specs for the money. The design's nice and clean. It's not a super thick case. I want to make it clear too that this isn't a paid sponsored video either, but I'm giving positive feedback for this one because this has lived up to the billing. They claim that it'll be one of the best, if not the best, unboxing experience of a watch. That's certainly true. The case is really luxurious. You could easily keep your watches stored in here if you wanted to. I think that this offers fantastic value at the price point. Now, you can get certain watches from the huge, well-known watch brands that might have similar specs to this for maybe a bit less money. But when the smaller companies like this are doing such a good job, compared to the likes of Movement Watches, for instance, then I only want to be supportive. So thanks to Coleman Collection for sending me this one. I think I'm going to get quite a lot of use out of this. And I'll potentially give you guys my full review of this in, a month or so after I've really been wearing this. But first impressions as a whole, really solid. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below, and also let me know what's your current favorite watch. If you enjoyed the video, press the like button, and also if you're new around here and want to see similar videos on what to wear, such as these watches, how to style your hair and everything else, then make sure you press the round subscribe icon just to that side as well, and I'll see you on the next video.